In this video, I'll show you how you can fix CS2 not launching from Steam. Now there are three ways that you can fix this. The first one is you want to find the game, properties, installed files, and verify integrity of the game files. Check if it works after doing that. Otherwise, press browse, go into game, go into bin, go into Windows, find the .exe file, right click, properties, compatibility, and then activate these two, press apply and OK. See if this fixes the issue. Now, the third thing that we can try is search for Steam, right click and open the file location. Do it once again to get into the Steam folder. And then once we're in here, you want to scroll up until we find user data. Go into user data and you'll have some folders with some numbers. Now open each one until you find the one where there's a 730 inside. What you want to do is you want to delete this 730 because the 730 is the CS folder. So you want to delete this one and then relaunch the game, and it's going to recreate the 730 folder. After doing this, your game might work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.